Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a wonderful product. It is the Chestnut Pro chessboard and chess pieces. If you are a chess nut, you are gonna love this product. It is a tournament size chessboard, wooden, has the inlaid electronics inside of it that you can't even tell that are there. Beautiful chess pieces. Let's open it up, get it set up, and I'm going to show you how this works. This is awesome. Stand by. So let's open up this chessboard. This is a beautiful, beautiful chessboard. I've already had it out. I had to get it charged, so therefore the wrapper is out. But comes with a charging cord. Took me about 6 hours to charge it, and everything I've read says you get about 10 hours of playtime out of one charge. All right, so here we go with the board, and here is that beautiful board. Nicely crafted. Look at how beautiful that is, and it is tournament size. And the only thing really to show on that is you have your power features, and really the only thing that you really need to know about on this is the power on button, the status, and the charge status. Really, that's really all you need to know. Turn it on. So let us go forward, shall we? So I have flipped my camera around. Here is the Chestnut wooden chess pieces, and they are beautiful also. Look at the nice set of these chess pieces. They are wooden chess pieces, so they are beautiful. And inside here would be the chip in there that makes them identifiable for the chessboard. But they are beautiful. They're beautiful, manufactured chess pieces. So then I have got the Chestnut app on, and here you can see that if I place that, what happens here is when you put the chess pieces out, if you put them in the wrong place, let's put the king and the queen right here set up, they'll light up red, and that means they are in the wrong place. Whereas if I put them over here, queen on her color, so if I put them over here, queen on her color, right over there, they don't light up red at all. They're in the correct place. So let's just go ahead and set this board up. So I have the pieces all properly placed on that side. And if we look over on Chestnut, there's no red there. And if I slide one of these over here, you can see that it tells me that I need to slide that one back. And there you go. So it is that quick reacting. So let's go ahead and set up this side of the board, shall we? One thing that I did notice that comes with the set, which is nice, is both colors come with an extra queen, in case you were to lose a queen. An extra queen, which I've got out there, which you can see. Need to pick those up so that the set. So it already started the game. As soon as I put that down, it started with moving the knight out to there. See, and it showed me there. So then it's up to me to move a piece. So I can just push a piece out here like that, and it will immediately respond with its piece. And just to show you what that looks like here, it's lighting up the dot where I need to push the pawn right there, and then that's up to me. And I'm just telling you right now, I'm not thinking about moves at all, but right now, so I'm probably making really dumb moves. But I'm just moving some pieces, so it will immediately tell me what to do here. So it's telling me to move this guy right here, and I'm going to move that right there, and then I can do that. And what should I do next, just for funsies? Because I haven't thought about one move yet. I'm going to go ahead and move my knight here. You can see that. And then it's thinking about what it does. It doesn't think very long because it's way smarter than I am. There you go, like that. And then I'm going to move my knight here. I'm going to push its pawn right there, protecting its queen. And just for fun, I'm going to make a dumb move and see, and just show you. I'm going to push my bishop here and take this pawn. And of course, it's going to with its queen. Or, no, it's not going to. It's going to take, telling me to move this right here. So I'm going to do that like that. So then I will respond. We'll just pursue this move even further. And I will go ahead and take this other pawn here. And it's going to move its queen, which it should, because otherwise I would take it. Which puts of course, my bishop in jeopardy. So, what would you do? And that is Chestnut. And of course, you can hook up to chess.com and do the exact same thing. I've done the exact same thing with chess.com. It completely hooks right up to chess.com and no problems whatsoever with the integration. You just go straight to chess.com. But I've had this game hooked up to chess.com, and it works seamlessly, integrates seamlessly, and with likeness also. It is wonderful, and what a beautiful chessboard. It would make a wonderful gift for the chess player in your life. Go out and get the Chessnut Pro chessboard for the chess player in your life.